Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have operator access and the Java edition ready. Open Chat now and begin with a minimal JSON payload so you see immediate feedback. Start by typing /Tellraw at a text. Hi, color, green to confirm basic output. Once done, make sure the server accepts commands and your target selector reaches the intended players. This first quick check verifies syntax, permission, and selector behavior before you add complexity. It saves time by confirming the environment and the foundational command works. Now expand the payload into multiple components so you control style and interaction. Use an array of JSON objects for combined text segments. For example, include text, click, color, aqua, click event, action, run command, value, /say hello to make buttons. Once done, add hover event for tooltips and use proper escaping for quotes. Make sure to test one component at a time. Iterating isolates syntax errors and clarifies how Minecraft merges colors, formatting, and events into the final displayed message. Finish by tailoring Tellraw to targets. Use selectors, NBT, or scoreboard names to insert dynamic values into the JSON structure. Once you craft the full message, paste it into chat or a command block. For long strings, use command blocks or functions to avoid chat limits. If something fails, open the server console or client log for JSON parse errors, check escaping and commas, and test smaller fragments. The key troubleshooting tip: simplify to the smallest valid component to isolate the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.